5 reasons why the RCD360 PRO3S is better than your old factory Volkswagen radio. Stick around until the end because we're counting down from 5 to 1 and number 1 might surprise you. Number 5. Wireless connectivity. Your factory radio from the 2000s and early 2010s doesn't have built-in wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. That means you have to plug in your phone every time you get in the car, and it's just one more cable cluttering up your dashboard. With the RCD360 PRO3S, your phone connects automatically via Bluetooth and wireless CarPlay as soon as you turn the key. No plugs, no fuss, it just works. Number 4. It keeps the factory OEM look. One of the biggest complaints about big Android touchscreen upgrades is that they stick out and they just don't look like they belong in your dashboard. The RCD360 is designed specifically for Volkswagen. It fits exactly where your old radio fit. Everything lines up perfectly with your existing buttons and trim. It looks like it came from the factory that way. Number 3. It retains all your original features. Steering wheel controls, reverse camera input, the multi-function display on your dashboard, it all still works exactly like it did before. You don't lose any factory functionality, you just gain modern connectivity. That's a win-win in our book. Number 2. Simple plug-and-play installation. You don't need any special tools or cutting, everything fits into your existing connectors. Most people can do the installation themselves in a couple of hours in their driveway. No need to pay hundreds for professional installation. And if you do need help, any decent car audio shop can do it for you easily. Number 1. The price. When you add everything up, the unit plus installation, you're still looking at a fraction of what a full Android head unit costs. You get all the core features most people actually want: wireless CarPlay, retained steering wheel controls, OEM look, at a price that makes a lot of sense. It's the perfect upgrade for most Volkswagen owners looking to modernize their infotainment without breaking the bank. So there you have it, 5 reasons why the RCD360 PRO3S beats the original factory radio in your older Volkswagen. If you've been thinking about upgrading, click the link in the description to check the latest price and availability. Hit that like button if this video helped you out, and subscribe for more Volkswagen upgrade content. Thanks for watching, we'll see you in the next one. Did the RCD360 PRO3S wireless CarPlay Android Auto unit end up being your favorite so far in this series? If you liked this quick demo, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more car gadget pics. All links and details are in the description below. Thanks for watching.